The Samsung Galaxy S25 FE, though not officially announced yet, is shaping up to be a compelling addition to Samsung's lineup based on recent leaks and reports. It is expected to feature a large 6.7-inch dynamic AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate and a resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels, promising a smooth and vibrant visual experience. Under the hood, it may debut with a MediaTek Dimensity 9400 chipset, a notable shift from the usual Exynos or Snapdragon processors. Paired with 12GB of RAM and 256GB of internal storage, the S25 FE is positioned to deliver strong performance, though likely without microSD expansion. Photography seems to be a highlight, with a rumored triple 50MP rear camera setup and a 50MP front camera, catering to both content creators and selfie enthusiasts. Powering the device could be a 5,500 mAh battery, designed to last through intensive use while supporting fast charging. Additionally, Samsung might adopt a slimmer design by utilizing a wider but thinner battery, aligning with modern aesthetic trends. While these specs are still speculative, the S25 FE looks to balance flagship-level features with a more accessible price point.